Hey, it's Brandon from Durham Integrated Growers. Today I'm going to talk about planting garlic. So in front of me here, I've pulled all of the existing plants that were in the bed. So I'm going to put some compost on top, and then I'm going to use a broad fork to just part the soil and let the compost fall into it somewhat. I don't want to till the soil too much, because that will disrupt the existing microbiology in the soil, and that is crucial to plant growth. It's kind of like if you think about your gut biology, it's similar. So if you go and take an antibiotic and take all of the good biology out of your gut, that gives way for bad bacteria and biology to take over, and it makes your plants more susceptible. The good biology in the soil also helps aerate the soil. It helps break down decaying matter, which feeds your plants. This year was particularly bad for white rot. If you have planted garlic previously in your bed, you will want to plant it in a different spot. So you'll want to rotate your crops. So for garlic, they say about 4 years. You want to have it in a different location, and then after the 4th year you can put it back in the same location you had it. Another pest of garlic is leaf miner. The best way you can prevent that from affecting your plants is to cover them with a garden fleece, a row cover. So if you can prevent them from getting onto your plant, it will prevent them from multiplying and spreading to the rest of your plant. I've gone ahead and put a layer of probably 2 inches of compost on top of the bed I'm going to be putting the garlic in. So now I'm going to take my broad fork and I'm going to loosen up the soil. Garlic likes fairly well-drained soil, so if your soil is quite clay, you'll want to either plant in a raised bed or add some organic matter. Garlic likes moisture, but it doesn't like to have wet feet, and it will cause rot. I'm just going to go ahead and level my bed back off. The compost has been mixed in quite well. So here I have my garlic dibber that I made previously in another video. I've made markings on the side for my row spacing, and my in-row spacing is predetermined by my dibber. So I went ahead and split up some garlic last night into cloves. I'm using porcelain garlic, and I'll also be using I think purple marble garlic. So that's the purple marble. You can see they get pretty big. The bigger the bulb, the bigger the clove, the bigger your bulb is going to be. Also, I didn't mention this earlier, but you want to leave the skin on your garlic when you're planting. It helps protect the garlic from diseases. The reason we're planting the garlic in fall is because it gives it a head start. The bulbs start producing roots in the fall, then the frost comes, they go dormant, and then they start growing again in the spring. So now that the bed is planted, I'm going to go ahead and put a layer of mulch on top of the bed. So this mulch will help retain moisture. It will help feed the microbiology. it will break down and they will turn it into nutrients. To a certain extent, it'll also help insulate during the winter. Also helps suppress weeds. Many benefits. You can often get mulch for free from your city. I'm located in Oshawa, and they offer mulch free down by the animal shelter. I'm just watering my bed to help it settle a little bit. I don't want to compact it, but I do want it to settle. So as I said before, garlic likes to be moist, but it also likes well-drained soil. So it doesn't like to be sitting in water. It will rot. Well, that's it. I should have approximately, I think I planted 80 to 90 cloves, so I should have 80 to 90 bulbs next year if I'm lucky. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you did, like, subscribe, and feel free to ask any questions. I'm happy to help.